Hello, this video is an overview of the WP Dark Mode plugin. Click on Add New of the Plugins menu, type WordPress Dark Mode, and then be sure to install and activate the plugin, and the dark mode should appear. Now, if you head over to your site, the dark mode will appear at the bottom right corner. If you enable it, all of your site will turn dark. To access all of the features, click on Get WP Dark Mode Pro. Then, you'll be taken to the official site of WP Pool. Click on Pricing, choose your options, and then click on Buy Now. Then insert your billing information. Log in to the WP Pool site where you will get the license. Click on Downloads to get the license key and paste it to activate WP Dark Mode. You will be able to access all of the amazing features. For example, enabling back-end dark mode lets you darken your back-end dashboard of your WordPress site. This also includes the menu of other plugins as well. Enabling the OS Dark Mode lets you customize the mode color of the operating system of your computer. This also includes your WordPress site. If you'd like, you can make the dark mode the default mode of your site. Enable the time-based dark mode if you want to set the mode at a particular time. If you want to change colors, go to the color settings option where you will be able to change the color. In this case, the site turns to a dark blue color. If you're feeling artistic, you can also customize colors as shown here. Switch Settings lets you change the logo of the dark mode widget. This widget lets you change the text size as well. For example, the dark mode doesn't just change the color, it also increases the font size of your website's text. You can also change the logo of the widget by uploading your own images. For more details, why not explore the attention effect to make the widget more alive? In this example, the widget is gently shaking. Include and exclude is for making an exception if you want to leave out or include certain elements of your site from the WordPress Dark Mode. Triggers is for making an exception for a particular content. Enable the performance option to increase the site's performance. You can also change the font size of the text of your site when you enable the dark mode. And if you don't want to click to enable the dark mode, press the Ctrl key, Alt, and the letter D key on your keyboard to enable the WP Dark Mode. You can also change the images when enabling dark mode. Simply copy the link of the images of your site and paste it separately as shown. To display the second image, we simply uploaded an image. Now, if you click on the dark mode, you will see that a section of your page will change its images. This is also the same for videos. In addition, you can add animation. Lastly, you can enable analytics to track your usage of the WP Dark Mode plugin. And that's it. These are the main features that define the WP Dark Mode plugin. And that's it. If you like this feature, download WP Dark Mode now and start using for free, or contact us at support@wppool.dev.